We're a nation of laws, not kings and dictators.
In Austin today, President Joe Biden commemorated the passage of the 1964 Civil Rights Act, signed into law by former President Lyndon B. Johnson.
Yet those who founded our country knew that freedom would be secure only if each generation fought to renew and enlarge its meaning.
60 years later, President Biden says continuing that legacy means changing federal powers. That includes calls for an end to presidential immunity from prosecution, term limits for Supreme Court justices, and a Supreme Court code of conduct.
I have great respect for our institution and the separation of powers laid out in our Constitution. What's happening now is not consistent with that doctrine.
The irony of commemorating Lyndon Johnson, who famously opted against seeking the Democratic nomination for a second term as president, not lost on anyone. In fact, Austin Congressman Lloyd Doggett, in attendance at today's address, made that connection when he called on President Biden to step off the ticket earlier this month.
I expressed to him my appreciation, which is very genuine, for the sacrifice that he made that will permit us to protect our democracy. And he thanked me for asking